I have a new tool backpack to share today. This one's from VEVOR. They did send this one over for me to try out, and I really do like this one. It's built really heavy duty. The bottom has a really thick rubber on it, so you can actually set it upright. You're not going to have to worry about it falling over or anything. You got pockets, or you got loops and everything all over the outside. You got pockets all over the outside. So you can, I mean, this just holds a ton of stuff. Over here on the side, we do have a little clip here. So you could always use that to clip on your tape measures. You have some rings where you can tie some stuff to it. You also got some pockets here on the sides and some more smaller pockets where you can put little tools, screwdrivers, pencils, whatever it might be. And of course you can wear this as a backpack. On this side you can actually put your ID or a card or business card or something in here. And you got a couple more straps. And you got a couple more pockets and more pockets. Now, as for the inside of it, we do have a couple smaller pockets, which this one's really nicely lined and it's padded, so you can actually put some more delicate things up there. And then we can open this up for our larger pocket here, and you'll be able to put a ton of tools in here. Another thing that you could do is that this here, you can completely remove this. So let's say you want to put a few tools on this one. You can put screwdrivers and a bunch of different pieces on this, but you can unbuckle this and you can easily take just a few tools. And then the inside is pretty large and it'll fit a lot of stuff. You also do have a waterproof mesh pocket here, so you can put some stuff in there as well. And then if we come back here, we got one more large pocket. And if we open this up, you could actually now put your work laptops, MacBooks, computers, tablets, whatever you have electronic wise, but you can put them back here and they'll be padded and protected. But this is going to allow me to be a little bit more portable with some of my tools. I can put tools in here and then I can take it all over the property to work on, or I can put tools in here and just take the backpack and go on the road if I have to go somewhere tools, or maybe you could just store a backpack of tools in your vehicle and always have a bag ready. But it's nice, it's convenient, you can store a lot of tools in it. You can use it as a laptop bag on top of that, so you can have your electronics with you if you do work in the field. But if you're looking for a really nice tool backpack, this one's from VEVOR. Holds a ton of stuff. They have a couple different sizes, I believe, but it's really nice. I really like it, and I'm definitely looking forward to using this one. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.